Kisay taga Cebu dre. Sige, sagit na lang. Kisay taga Cebu dre. Wow, kinsa may mga di taga Cebu dre? May mga di taga Cebu dre. Taga asa man mo? Taga Mandawi. Taga asa man? Taga asa do ba?
Taga Hudson.
Bulacau.
Ay, taga Hudson na rin ako.
Anyway, kanay nga mo ang next song kay amo ni gisuwat para sa ako ang Cebu, no? Proud Gaming as Cebuano mitanan, and we wrote this song back in 2021, bay? 2021. Karon pagsuwat na mo aning kantaha, nag-think ko ni lisura isuwat og kanta about Cebu. So among gibutangan og tao or person kung kinsa si Cebu para namo, which is that at that time si Miss Cebu 2022 kay si Gabby Carvalho. Kailan ang Gabby Carvalho? Ako ng ex-girlfriend. Kay fiancé naman karon. So,
Ginahan ko ako na.
so amo ang gisuwatan og love song kunuhay si Gabby. But ang amo ang intention is for Cebu sa siya. So, this next song is called Queen. Ano siya sa Spotify, nasa Apple Music, magdama sa YouTube siguro. I-search na ninyo, okay, para makapaskwila sa mga anak in the future, ha? This next song is called Queen.
It's my city to be in. I love my queen. It's the city where I'm in. It's the city where I live in. It's my city to be in. All that night I give you like my city to me. She said, so when you grow old, don't be believing everything you say on TV. To agree with what you said, 'cause my city is the best. It's my best, it's the best. Getting the fun, mas mawala any stress. You don't believe it, so why you be my guest? Every which way you turn your head, see I say down the road, so we always fucking see the back of my chest. To tell you that I'm truly in a mess, 'cause my city's the best. One more time. Bisaya, pagsaba! Pagsaba! Yes! Alright. Last song ta, guys? Last song ta? Last song ta, di ba?
Last song na guys, everybody say, oh! Last song na today.
Guys, magpatabang niya yung last song na mo. But before din mo magpatabang niya, ako din introduce ang banda. Unahon ako ang amuang drummer karon
Si Ja, atong pakpakan palihog. Yes, we love Ja. Sunod is our bassist. Ano siya yung pinaka-likon o tuhod na bassist. Atong pakpakan si James, guys. Kung kaning nasa tunga, amot lang ganun nagpatunga gini siya. Amo ang keyboardist o amo ang MD, si Jeros, atong pakpakan please. And of course, ako si Gabe, vocals, Kyle on drums, yeah, Billy Boy on wheelchair. Kyle on drums, Kyle on guitars, and Billy Boy on wheelchair. Wala na inuwan ako sa phone joke. Basta mo kaya? Alright. Ano pa pa si Billy Boy, guys? Get well soon.
Kani si Philip Boy, dili yung tali siya mag-tour tonight. At para ninyo, itungagin mo yung banag nag-wheelchair sa ato sa kapakan siguro.
When I say get well, you say soon. Get well? Get well? Very good.
By the way,
Oh.